Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone C65. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch-hole mini capsule 2.0 display. Resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, approximately 89.97% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 625 nits maximum brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel AI main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top. The device, under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 6 GB, 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.6 by 76.1 by 7.64 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options black Milky Way, purple nebula colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C65 has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 3,690,000 Vietnamese dong, and 40,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $148 and 11,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 4,290,000 Vietnamese dong, and 47,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $172 and 13,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 4,790,000 Vietnamese dong, and 52,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $192 and 15,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Realme C65 smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks. for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.